Hey, happy Monday. Today we are going to be unboxing a ColourPop mystery bag. This bag claims to contain $55 worth of best-selling ColourPop items, and they are selling for $25 US. I think ColourPop is just one of those brands in America that you Americans just kind of take for granted, but we don't really have anything like it in Canada, although it is definitely getting easier to order ColourPop. I think now they're including duties and taxes in their orders when you're shipping it to Canada. And I think if you order over $50, it's free shipping. It would be nice if there were retailers that sold it in real life. I know Sephora 2 Christmases ago, I believe, had some ColourPop products. But anyway, let's see if I got my money's worth here with this $25 mystery bag. I also just did a $75 mystery bag from Beautylish. You can check out that video up here. But let's get this started. First of all, I think the packaging is super clever. Let's see here. Starting with, a highlighter in beautiful hollow packaging. Wow. Oh, it looks a little less exciting out of the packaging. But this is the highlight of my life from ColourPop in Guilty Pleasure. It's a Paralyzed Super Shock cheek highlight. Quite beautiful. Let's swatch it. Ooh, God, that's soft. I just dug my finger right in there. Didn't really know what to expect for texture, but ooh, that's pretty bright. It seems to be like a perfect match of my skin tone, so I think that's going to be a beautiful highlight. I really like when highlights are almost the same color as your skin. Really love this package though. Cool. Alright, let's see what else is in here. I think this is a mascara. This is, ColourPop Volumizing Mascara. And this is in black on black. I know they released a bunch of different colors of mascara, like bright colors. But to be honest, I'm pretty relieved to get the black one, which is kind of shocking for me. I usually don't like to be boring. But it's a brand new mascara for them, so I think this will be a nice test. Super fat packaging here. I believe all ColourPop products are actually made in the USA, and ColourPop is out of the USA. That's really exciting. I didn't know we'd get something that new in the box. Here is a lip product. It's the Ultra Blotted Lip and Doozy. It's a little bit of a boring color. So Ultra Blotted Lip. What does that even mean? Let's swatch it. It's super sheer, which I'm a little bit surprised at. You can definitely like see through it, so I'll have to try this out on my lips when I'm not wearing a crazy lip already. And what is this? Hey, it's a lip gloss. Put me on your lips. Ultra Blotted Lips. I don't know, I feel like it's a liquid lip. Okay, what else is in here? Ultra Glossy Lip in Flying Horses. Okay, oh, that's pretty. Let's give this one a go. Oh, this one's got a brush. There is Flying Horses. Kind of a weird name. I'm so bad at swatching in a straight line. Here is a Lippy Stick in Ziggy. I think it's a matte formula. Ooh, kind of like a dark orange, I believe. Ooh, wow, that's creamy. Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. Should I put it on top of my lips? No, better not. Super creamy. I did not expect it to be that creamy. Seems like pretty sturdy packaging. Interesting. Interesting. So far that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. I feel like there's still a lot more in here. 21 Questions Velvet Blair Luxe Lipstick. Wow, this packaging is beautiful. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful red lipstick. Ooh, and beautiful heavy packaging. Oh shit, but the bullet just went flying. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's okay, I've made lipstick before. That wasn't a disaster. The tip got a little smushed when it flew across the room. Ooh, and it's not in the best shape. But yeah, the packaging feels really nice. Really too bad about that. But I will definitely still use it. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's super matte. A beautiful, how would I describe it? Almost like a peachy red instead of a straight orange red. It's too bad it went flying. I feel like the packaging was pretty like well padded. Next we have a Super Shock shadow. And this is in the color Drift. They've got such an interesting like design on them. And I bet it's going to be super soft as well. Less soft than the highlight. There it is. Kind of a golden purple almost. Alright, there's still, I feel like, a few more things in the bag. Here we have a pressed eyeshadow. And this is in the color Snake Eyes. Too bad it doesn't have better packaging, although I do have a palette to put it in. Let me just give it a swatch. Ooh, that is beautiful. Super shiny, kind of almost like chunky gold color. I think that's just beautiful. And one more eyeshadow. This is in the color Party of 5. Purple with almost like green or silver reflex in it. Pretty interesting. Maybe it's more of a pink even. Oh wow, it swatches completely differently than what you would think. It swatches almost like a kind of burnt brick. Almost a hollow sparkle through it. Very interesting. Alright, and that is officially everything in the box. So let's tally up everything we got. Alright, this is everything we got in the mystery bag. We got 2 of the Super Shock shadows. One, what is this? Super Shock cheek highlighter. 1 Snake Eyes pressed powder. We have what I believe to be our 2 lip glosses maybe. A lipstick that maybe needs some TLC, a matte lippy, what do they call them? A Lippy Stick, and a mascara, all for $25. Now at the time of opening this, I don't know how much everything is worth, but I will put it down here so that you can see how much this bag was worth. And yeah, let me know what you thought. What did you think about the selection of products? What did you think about the color of products? When you go on ColourPop's website, you see all these crazy colors and lipsticks and everything. Even mascaras now. And I thought the bag was fairly tame, maybe a little bit tamer than I expected. But I think there's some good quality stuff. Like I said, I'm really unexperienced with the ColourPop brand. So I really am happy to have a good range of products to play around with and try out. If you ended up purchasing the Let's Get Wild mystery bag, let me know what products you got in the comments down below. I'm sure I'll be doing some upcoming wear tests on some of these products, so if there's anything in particular you'd like to see me try out, definitely leave it in the comments as well. Huge shout out to my Patreons who help make these videos possible. Huge shout out to you for watching, and with that I will see you all in my next beauty video.